Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Looker Studio with Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you want to go ahead and click on the plus create button and then click on report. Then from here, Google wants to connect Sheets as a data source. So go ahead and find Google Sheets here. So here it is here, it's kind of near the top. If you can't find it, just go ahead and type in Google Sheets here and it should appear below. There we go. So click onto that. Now pick the correct worksheet tab inside the spreadsheets here and enable use first row as headers, then click add, then add to report. So for example, I want to use this one here, my spreadsheet driver. So we want to go ahead and use first row as headers and also include hidden and filtered cells. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on the add button. Then from here, we're going to come into our report. Now at the top here, we can insert some pie charts, bar charts, heat maps, vertical bar charts, even what bullet charts, scattered, sand key, etc. So choose which type of report you want to go ahead and use. Say for example, I want to use a pie chart. I'm going to click onto that. I'm going to put that on my report, and then I can make this larger, smaller, and on the right hand side we've got the pie chart properties. We can change all this and customize it to our needs. Now after you've done that, you can go ahead and share your report. So click on the share button. You can change the link settings, so we can change that to unlisted public, so unlisted. So this is for the viewer or editor, and then you can add in the people you like to share your report with, and then click send.